Hey there, Matthew. As I said over the phone, my name is Wendy, and we are working with home improvement companies in the area when I came across your listing online and I checked out your website. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat your competition online, and since I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, it's no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them to see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. With regard to content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name so that this is also considered to be content that is readable by search engines. Content on our front page should typically be about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and although it might seem a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search for your business or search for some of the services that your business offers. If we look at your page count, we can see that your front page has over 3,000 words. So as far as content is concerned, that's definitely over the 1,500 to 2,000 word count. So you're definitely able to put some good keywords in there. Couple of other tricks we can chat about if you're interested. Let me know. So it looks like your first tip there you're pretty good with. So we'll move right on to citations. So the second tip that I want to give you and talk about are citations. So if we do a Google search here for kitchen remodelers in Columbia, South Carolina, we basically go look at here the map section following the search query, and we could basically see 3 or 4 of the listings which are known as the Google Map Pack. You are going to get about 20% of your total calls by being in this spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. So as you can see here, we have Capital Kitchen, Champ Builders, Deluxe Builders. So this is the section here that we're talking about. If we take a look at a special tool that we have here at the agency, we can see how many citations you have, and we can also see how many citations all of your competitors have. Just pretty neat. So what tip number 2 would be is, in order to beat out your competition and be on the map back, which is here, what you need to do is you need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and you need to get in those same directories and then add a little bit more, because that's what matters is in how you're ranking with your company here in the maps is having your address, your company name, and your phone number listed in as many directories as possible, and outbeating your competition that way. So the last and third thing that I want to discuss and talk about are backlinks. So backlinks have to do with the organic section, which is found underneath the map pack. And it basically, what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using this tool that we have at the agency, we can see all the different websites that are currently linking to you, as well as your competition. And which is pretty neat. So if you take a peek here, you have 916 backlinks. You have 353 referring domains, and that's bringing you organic traffic of 214. Now, as we saw, you are actually at the top of that, so you're doing phenomenal in that regard. And just to show you what your competition is doing as well, so this would be your lead competition. They only have 40 backlinks, 24 referring domains, and that's giving them traffic of 1. So you're doing really, really well in that regard too. The other thing that we can do here is we can click on keywords that your competition is currently using, and we can go after any of those keywords that you'd like to go after as well. And that's basically how you rank for more keywords, and you get in higher places than them online. So that's all I have for you today. I hope this information has been valuable. And like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring in some new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the free tips that I've given you today. I would appreciate if you could any feedback on my video. I would appreciate that. Other than that, thank you for your time, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Okay, have a great day.